My father used to also farm in the valley. I bought my own farms, and in 2012 I built my own pack house, and as you can see I'm exporting the fruit myself using different agents. We're busy with quite a huge development right now, a 500-hectare development just on the outskirts of the valley, which is also a black empowerment project, where we're going to busy establishing 120 hectares for our BEE partners, and we also received a substantial amount in grant funding for the irrigation system. At this point in time, my enterprise has grown to such an extent that all my children are working for me. My two sons, my eldest son is a production manager, operations manager in the pack house. My second son is a production manager on the producing farms, and my son-in-law is involved with the new development. And then my daughter is qualified at the University of Stellenbosch as a food scientist. She's involved with the our lab in the pack house, looking after the hygiene and the minimum residue levels on the fruit in the pack house. It makes one proud if your children actually want to work with you and they're part of your success and stuff, and they know where it comes from. So there I'm very happy for my children to be involved. My son-in-law is involved, so it's a totally family business.